Hi, my dear students of Prep 2. Today we are going to discuss Unit 7. Unit 7 is called Technology and the Future. Let's see the vocabulary of this unit. We have the vocabulary of lesson 1 and 2. Let's see the first word, headphones. Headphones is an equipment that you wear over your ears to listen to music. Headphones. We have at the speed of. At the speed of. To show how fast something walks or runs. My car walks or runs at the speed of 60 kilometers an hour. Okay? So let's continue. We have the verb invent. Invent. Graham Bell invented the phone. This is the verb. And we have here the suffix ion. A suffix is a group of letters that we add to the end of a word to modify the word's category. Okay? So we here change it from a verb into a noun. Invention is the noun. App is a short form of the word application. Application, like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, and so on. Motorbike is a way of transport or a form of transport that has two wheels and an engine. Okay? It has two wheels like the bicycle. But here in the motorbike we have an engine. It has an engine. Helicopter is a kind of a plane. It's smaller than the passenger plane and with no wings. Solar panels. We use them to make electricity. Take care here. Make electricity. A verb with a noun, make electricity. Solar panels. Translate is a verb which means to change words into a different language. Translate into English, translate into Arabic, and so on. The noun here is translation. We omit the final E and add the suffix ion. We changed translate into translation, the noun. We have predict to say what will happen in the future. Predict, it's a verb. And if we add ion, we get the noun. We put the suffix to get the noun. So predict, prediction. Let's continue. We have pollute. We have the verb pollute, which means to make something or somewhere harmful. Okay? So this is pollute. It's a verb. And the adjective will be polluted. Then the noun pollution. And we have different kinds of pollution. Water pollution, air pollution, and so on. We have go shopping. We put the verb go with the activities that end in ing. Go shopping. But do the shopping. We should say do the shopping, or do my shopping, or do our shopping, and so on. Yes. Continue. Waste money. Waste time. Spend money. Spend time. I spend 3 hours doing my homework. I spend much money on clothes, and so on. We have online, and offline is the opposite. Online, which means connected to the internet. We have online games, and we have offline applications or games. Offline means disconnected to the internet. Agree and disagree with. Agree and disagree with. When someone say his point of view, so you have two options: to agree with him or disagree with him. wait for, wait for. We repeat this verb many times in each unit. Wait for, I'm waiting for the bus, I'm waiting for the next train, and so on. Get, one of the verbs that followed by an adjective. Get hotter, get warmer, and so on. Take care here. We have pass the exam and succeed in the exam. Both are equal in meaning, but succeed followed by the preposition in. What about pass? It doesn't followed by a preposition. Pass the exam and succeed in the exam. Let's continue. We have here the vocabulary of lessons 3 and 4. Let's see the vocabulary and discuss it together. We have addicted, addicted, it's an adjective, addicted, and followed by to, addicted to. Addicted to followed by verb ing or a noun. What's the meaning of addicted? Addicted, which means that you cannot stop yourself from doing something. Okay, so this is the meaning of addicted. Let's see the examples. He addicted to social networking sites. He cannot stop himself from doing this. Let's continue. He addicted to smoking. He addicted to smoking. Okay, so addicted to, noun or verb ing. Disappear, and the opposite is appear. Something disappeared, something you cannot see. Okay, you cannot see anymore. Dinosaurs disappeared many years ago. Okay, so which means that not exist, not found, no longer. Yes, let's continue. We have headache. Headache takes the verb give. Give someone headache. Okay, yes. What's the meaning of headache? A headache is a pain inside your head. And take care here for the word ache. We can add this word to some parts of your body in order to say that you suffer pain in this part. For example, headache, toothache, stomach ache, and backache. Okay, yes, let's continue. We have the adjective horrible. It's one of the strong adjectives. Horrible, which means very bad or not nice. Horrible. We have lever. Lever. Lever is a handle that you push or pull to make a machine work. Lever. We have by mistake. Take care for the preposition by. By mistake, which means that you do something or say something without intending to do. Okay? So, for example, I took my friend's pen by mistake. Let's continue. Pull and push. What's the meaning of pull? Both are verbs. We see them on doors of malls and shops. Pull, which means to hold something, to make this thing comes towards you. Okay, this is pull. What about push? To make this thing move away from your body. Okay, so we have pull and push. Social media. Social media takes the preposition on. Social media, on social media. What's the meaning of social media? Websites and programs on the internet. Yes, we have possible and impossible. Both are adjectives. Possible is something that you can do. What about impossible? Impossible, something that you cannot do. For example, traveling through time is impossible. Traveling through time is impossible. Traveling through space is possible. Yes, let's continue. We have make friends with. a verb with noun again, and here is a preposition, make friends. Explore is one of the most important verbs here in this unit. Explore related to new places, to find out what is there. Okay, this is explore. We have explore, explorer is the one who do this, and exploration is the noun. We have advise, the verb is S, and advice, the noun. I advise you. My advice to you is to. Okay? So advise is a verb, advice is a noun. Time machine. Time machine, to travel through time, is a machine that we use in stories to travel through time. And this, of course, as I said before, impossible. Climate change. Climate change, which means shifts in weather patterns, sometimes hot, sometimes cold, and so on. Climate change. We have the verb feel. Feel, the past and BB are felt. Feel, felt, felt, followed by an adjective. Feel worried, feel hot, feel cold, feel hungry, feel thirsty, and so on. Let's continue. We have the vocabulary of lesson 5 and 6. Let's see these words. Dangerous. Dangerous. The care, we have danger and we have dangerous. Dangerous is an adjective. The lion is dangerous animal. It's a different word. We have a screen like that on your mobile phone. Screen. Debate. Debate. Debate is a kind of argument that has different points of view. Debate. Hearing. Hearing, which means the ability to hear. Hearing. It's one of the senses. Hearing. Health. The adjective is healthy. Healthy. And the opposite of it is unhealthy. Order can be verb and it can be a noun. When you go to the restaurant and the waiter comes to take your order, so order here is a noun, okay? You can order the waiter to bring your food. Order here is a verb. Robots. Robots, kinds of machines that are made to do difficult jobs that people cannot do. Robots. Positive and negative. Of course, positive is the opposite of negative. Positive means not negative. Negative means not positive. Okay, it's an adjective. Damage. Damage means to destroy something. Okay? Yeah, it's a verb. Let's continue our vocabulary. We have look forward to and take care here. Look forward to followed by noun or verb ing also. Let's see the examples. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Hearing from you. I am looking forward to the holiday. So the holiday here is a noun. Hearing here is verb ing. Eye ear problems. طبعا of course we have bad sides of using technology. It can damage your ear, your eye or your ear, and cause ear-eye problems. Okay, ear and eye problems. Yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Best wishes, kind regards, all these can be conclusion some words that we use in order to conclude our writing, our letter or our email. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you understand all the words and the vocabulary that we discussed here. Wait for the next part inshallah related to the grammar. Thanks a lot. Wishing you good luck.